Hi guys, Big Sal here, Guaranty RV. Today we're going to take a quick peek at the Rocky Mountain Edition Jayco 287 BHSW model. Really a nice trailer, great family trailer. Of course, I love showing all the family trailers with the bunk beds and all the fun stuff. That's what makes it fun. Power jack, you got your propane tanks, all LED lights. You just flip a switch, you got your LED lights out here for when you come into the campground a little later at night. Let's hop inside here, but before we do, let's take a peek at that quick peek under here for all that storage you got. Now, let's hop up inside and take a look inside and see what we got. So right when you walk in, what's cool about this model is it's got a little seat, a little place to throw your shoes in if you're dirty, nice little place to sit down, place to hang your coats, which is kind of cool right by the door. Nice spot for a nice sized TV, lots of storage. Decent counter space in this model for the size of the trailer. Nice storage up above. Nice double sink. 3-burner stove. Microwave. Good sized fridge. A lot of pantry space in this rascal. You've got plenty of room for everybody's stuff and silverware and pots and pans and everything else, not including underneath the sink there too as well. What's cool about this, it's got the nice double bunk. So if you have the littler kids, they're not going to roll off the bunk. It's a nice feature. I like this bunk style a little bit better. It's kind of dark in here, but the shade's up on that one. But you could actually, you know, throw 2 kids on each bunk, 2 little guys, and you got it covered. In here, nice sized bathroom, and this does have a separate door to the bathroom, so you can come in and out without coming through the middle of the trailer, which is a nice feature. So you got a nice bathroom, nice shower in there, nice toilet, separate door. Beautiful little dining area. Nice little couch that folds out into a bed as well. And then as we come back into the bedroom, of course you got a spot up here where you could mount a TV. It's all pre-wired for all that stuff. You do have a door on here. Some of these have a curtain. This one actually has a door, which is nice. You got all your nightstand, real nice big area in case you got to put your alarm clock, your CPAC, all that good stuff. Nice storage wardrobe closet, and a lot of storage up above here too for blankets and pillows and all that kind of stuff. Hi folks, we just finished taking a nice look at the Jayco trailer. If you have any questions on this trailer or any other trailer, feel free to give Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.